It is warm out here. But I got some stuff to show you. Let's unbox some Dobinson bumpers real quick. There you have it, the final layout of everything. You got the, that will be for the front bumper right there in the middle. That'll hold our winch and everything. Obviously your rear bumper and then your front bumper itself. Jerry can for fuel on the rear. Dual swing outs, one's for the jerry cans, one is for the tire holder. So we are gonna have all of this assembled and put on Maverick. So we got a little work to do, so fixing to hop to it. Side note, I need to hurry on this, so I'm not gonna be taking the time to film all of this and put it together. I may do that on another build, but Dobinson's has some good videos. There are good videos for putting this stuff on, but I've got to get this, I got to get Maverick on out of here. So I wasn't able to do the roof rack video because I was at the fire station. I'm not gonna do the bumper videos today. Sorry if it's windy. I need to hurry on up and get this thing ready. If he wants it by the 4th of July, and I've still got a few things to do. So the bumpers, sliders, the roller drawers are right there. I'm gonna put new bushings on the lower control arms and extended sway bar links. Did I say sliders? And then we're gonna hit the interior stuff like the radio and all with the backup camera, wire it into this bumper. And anyway, got a lot to do. So you may just see Maverick when it's done today. I may just give you a quick walk around of that later. And you may see it right now. I don't know. We'll see whatever we can find out and how today goes. So between Bible school and everything, this is where I got. That's all mounted up. Winch goes on next, and the front bumper. That's the hardest part of getting all that on to me. The rest of it's quick and easy. I'm gonna paint all this real quick. I've already sanded down the front radiator support, painted all with the 415. But I do have to work, and so you'll see me finish this all up on another episode. But coming together. We're gonna get her done. Be out of here in a few days. Hopefully a lot faster. We want it delivered by the 4th for some off-road adventures for Mr. Goldstein. So we're gonna get that done. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful night. We'll catch you next time.